Hello guys, this is Brad, and today one of my ebook titled Three Ways to Avoid Divorce is available for free on Amazon, so feel free to download. It's available for free for only for 3 days. And in my opinion, there's only one way to avoid divorce. If you decide I will not divorce, you will avoid it. Because theoretically it's very hard to avoid it because you'll see all sort of bad thing about your partner eventually. And some of them are just unacceptable. But if you decide, no matter what happens, I will not divorce, then you will not divorce. And as long as the girl, your wife, or your partner is contributing anything to your house, I think you should just keep the person.